Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. Start by closing the Rockstar Games launcher if it is currently open. Make sure it is fully closed before continuing. Next, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the date and time. From the menu, click on Adjust Date and Time. When the settings window opens, turn on Set Time automatically. After that, also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. If any of these options were disabled, enabling them will allow Windows to sync the correct time. Wait a few seconds, then close the settings window. Now open your web browser and go to the official Rockstar Games website. Sign in with your Rockstar Games account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon and open Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find and open the Linked Account section. Here you will see the platform connected to your Rockstar account. Unlink the connected account and confirm the action if prompted. After unlinking, link your account back to the same platform you were using before and complete the linking process. If you don't see your platform listed, you will have to contact Rockstar Games support and explain to them. Once the account is linked again, close your browser. The error should now be resolved. Thanks for watching.